Do you want to know why it's a happy day? Because it's time for the March goals from the Crafty Goals Collab. Hi, welcome back. This is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is my March wrap-up of my Crafty Goals, part of the Crafty Goals collab, which was originated by Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. There are some fabulous other people who are in this collab, so go ahead and check them out. They're also listed in the description box, so you can go ahead and click on the link. So last time I brought you my crafty goals, we had just purchased an RV and we were starting our journey traveling across the country. My husband and I sold everything, including our house, so now we're just traveling. We have gone to a spot at a relative's house to hunker down for a while so we're not on the road. So like many people, I did have a lot of time to work on my goals for March. I accomplished most of them. I did not successfully use all of the ephemera that I had wanted to use, and I did not use that classic chic black and white paper, but I will use that for April. And after I finished making mini albums, I used some of the leftover paper to make these cards. So here's some cards, and then they'll be followed by pictures from my mini album. If you want to see the mini albums in greater detail, please go to my Etsy shop. You'll see the link in the description box below. So this is what I want to attack for the month of April. I still have a lot of paper to work through. I did not finish this for March, so I'm going to work on that and make just an all-purpose album. It's black and white and gold, so that'll be fabulous. Then I've got two paper pads. One of them is I Love the Life We Live. It's just a lot of inspirational thoughts on it, so I thought that would be great for the times we're in. And then I have these ephemera for a paper pad called Life in Color. Again, these have been in my stash for a while, but inspirational, so I want to go towards something like that. Maybe a traveler's notebook, maybe journals, I'm not sure what. And then I'm going to work on a couple of 6x6 paper pads and make some mini albums out of that. I have some of this and I have some 12x12 paper. It's called Imagine That. It's imagine all of the things you could do, and you know, there's dinosaurs, there's airplanes, there's bikes, there's race cars, super dogs, so that would be a fun thing to do. And I also have this Playful Pets, and instead of just doing a general all pet album, I'll probably do an album with dogs, an album with cats. This also has rabbits, birds, snakes, and fish. I'll probably just do dog, cat, and rabbit, and I'll use some of this Dots and Stripes paper with it, and I have this Be Bold, Be Bright that obviously got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. It's some gold foil paper. The colors are just really pretty on this. And again, I'll do pretty much of a generic mini album with that. And as well, besides using these papers, I want to do a different kind of, instead of just paper crafting, I want to do something with the photographs that I've been taking from my hiking. And as I said, I want to make some more traveler's notebooks and possibly journals. So I'm going to experiment with that for the month of April. So that's what I've got on for the month of April. So please check out the other YouTubers with their crafty goals. You can follow along as well and set your own goals, and let's see what you can do for the month of April. Go ahead and please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out a lot. And as always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch.